welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Lolly Hair. They sent me over this beautiful Water Wave 5x5 closure wig that is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and bleached, okay? It is absolutely stunning. I love it. I went ahead and put some water, conditioner, and a little bit of oil in so the curls are all nice and tamed. You will also see how the hair comes straight out the package, just finger combed as well. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig and show you how you can install it real quick in a hurry, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's go and install this wig, y'all. All right, you guys, so we're working with Lolly Hair today. You get this little card with all their info on there. This cute little like wig hanger to hang your wig. That's clutch. This, I need this every time. Baby hairbrush. You get a cute little hair clip, right? And of course you get some wig caps. And then the wig comes in this plastic packaging. It says 24 inches at the bottom. It also says it's a 5x5 closure. Natural color, water wave, okay? And it's an average cap size. All right, so here is what the wig looks like. It's a pretty water wave, very, very beautiful. These curls are so freaking soft. The lace is pre-plucked and dyed and pre-cut already. This is a wear and go, so I should be able to put this right on and get to it. These curls feel very, very nice. So getting into this wig construction, you do have your adjustable elastic band that also has like some gripping on there. You have 3 combs and of course your lace in the middle, which you do get quite a lot of space inside here. So this should be pretty easy to put on, you guys. Ready to go. So yes, I'm gonna style this real quick for you guys, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. But yeah, she looks good. Oh wait, hold on. Let's also get into the ends. But all right, I'll be right back. All right, so after you just put it right on like this, it is ready to go straight out of the packaging like this. All I did was take my foundation brush and just put some of the extra foundation just right on the lace to blend it in. And then you are pretty much ready to go. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. The lace does look pretty good, and you could wear it just like this and be ready to go. But I'm gonna spruce it up a little bit because like I actually want to wear this for like a while, okay? And I want to lay it down flat, and I want it to look like just a little bit more sleek up at the roots. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and then lay it down with a little edge wrap for a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. But like I said before, she is ready to go just as is, like this, a little finger comb straight out the packaging, and you're ready to go. So give me just a second and then I'll be right back, okay? So I just put a little bit of this Got To Be spray on and wrapped it up for a second and hot combed the top part just to make it like a little flatter, just so it looks just like a little bit more manicured, you know? But yes, it looks really good. I just finger combed this hair out, so there was no styling time, okay? No styling time. But yes, it looks really good. It's nice and full. I've got some hair in the back here, but hold on real quick. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. So this is the hair, you guys. It looks really, really good. I can't express to you guys how soft this hair is. It is very, very soft. I love that it's a 5x5 closure because you can whip this up real quick. And now that it's all molded to my head, when I take this off, it'll be super easy to put right back on. It fits very, very comfortably. But yes, just remember, you guys, a little overview on here. It's a 24-inch. It's a 5x5 closure. It is pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached, okay? So the wig is ready to go for you guys. As you guys saw before I laid this down, it was ready to go. It looked really good, and all I did was put some foundation powder on the lace, because the lace is like HD and it don't match my skin tone. So after you put a little bit of foundation powder on there, you are good to go. No baby hairs necessary. The lace looks good, okay? And the hair is so soft. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this hair. Thank you again, Lolly Hair, for sponsoring this video today. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.